Hi guys, welcome to Encyclog. In this video, we are discussing question number 7 ABC. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Question number 7A is suppose that 2n by 2n matrix here where A, B, C, D are n by n matrices. Show that M is a simplistic if and only if the following conditions are satisfied. Also check the matrix where A is a n by n orthogonal matrix is a symplectic matrix. Second is the aim of this exercise to show that acts transitively on R square. See, show the matrix is a symplectic if and only if AD minus B is equal to 1. Show that to prove that SP acts transitively on GL2, it is enough to show that for any vector there is a 2 by 2 symplectic matrix with at first column. Third one is complete the proof by showing that given any non-zero vector, there is always non-zero vector such that is symplectic. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. If you are looking for any other help, we are here for help you 24/7.